Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike, and in this video we're going to turn this into this. If you're interested in a more detailed explanation of how to achieve this result, my suggestion would be to click the link that pops up in the top right corner of this video. And let me extend my apologies up front for having no video material about the actual polishing step. It was performed outside, and I only realized the battery had died because of the freezing temperatures after I had finished all steps. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It's always appreciated, and let the struggle begin. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was the first of what's going to be many repairs and restorations for this 1978 Bridgestone Submariner, and I hope I can welcome you again for the next one. Bye for now.